In example 1, we need to describe the transformations for this equation, then sketch the equation by hand. One thing I'm seeing right away is this negative 2 should be over here. You don't really have to do that, but in the concept video, k was over here on the right-hand side. So I like to get y by itself if I can, and then place these values in their appropriate positions. You'll notice here that there is no stretch or shrink. It's not going to narrow or widen. A is 1, so nothing else is going on there, and there's no reflection. So we could say no reflection, and we could say no shrink or stretch. If you want to use the words narrow or widen, that's fine too. We are going to have a translation or a shift. So the shift will be left 3 and up 2. If you want to use arrows, you could do that. Left 3 and up 2, that's fine. Just give me some direction here when you're completing these problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph the parent function of this thing, and then we're going to shift everything. I'll do the parent function in a different color. So let's try that in green. The parent function is y is equal to x squared. So that would be centered here. The vertex is at the origin. 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 4, and so on. So I hope you're able to, looking at the last learning target, to graph these pretty quickly. With practice, you can do them real fast. That's just the parent function. So I'll list that here. Y is equal to x squared. And there's other stuff going on with this one. It's shifted left 3 and up 2. So if you can graph the parent function, all we need to do now is shift every point 1, 2, 3 to the left and up 2. You can do that with each point, or if you have a vertex like this, we can just recreate the graph as if this was the origin. So we went right 1 up 1 and right 2 up 4, so we'll go right 1 up 1 or right 2 up 4 from the vertex. You'll notice that this point is still shifted left 3 and up 2. We'll do the other side here, so left 1 up 1, left 2 up 4, so left 2 up 4 will be right here. And this is the actual graph of the function that's listed right here. So the steps to this would be look at the equation, see if you can get it into that form that we talked about before. Look to see what the value of A is, and then figure out what your shifts are. When the value is inside by the x, you need to do the opposite of that if you look at this sign. So it's negative, or left 3, negative 3. And then outside of the parentheses and the operator here, the 2, that's going to be the vertical shift. And you just do the regular right there. That's going to be up 2.